Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at 358 Lily Lane, located in the community of Whispering Pines in Titusville, Florida. This is a 55 plus community. Stepping inside here, to your right is your kitchen area. Here is your living room. This home is equipped with 2 mini splits for your heat and AC. Down the hall here to the left is your bathroom, the walk-in shower. To your left here is your storage area and your washer and dryer. Back here is your bedroom, also with your other mini split. So come on down, check it out. It is 358 Lily Lane, located in the community of Whispering Pines in Titusville, Florida. 55 plus community.